How to write an effective summary. Mastering the art of summarizing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a really useful skill you'll need for your English language learning journey, particularly in the area of test preparation and study skills. We're talking about how to write an effective summary. This is part of our ongoing series on active reading techniques, and falls under the broader category of summarizing and paraphrasing. So, let's get started. Before we talk about how to write a summary, it's essential to understand what a summary is. A summary is a condensed version of a longer text that retains the main points, ideas, or arguments. It's like taking a panoramic picture of a landscape. You want to capture the essential elements without unnecessary details. Why should you care about summarizing? Well, summarizing helps in better comprehension and information retention. It also enables you to convey the core ideas of a text when you're discussing it with others or applying it to your work. So, it's not just an academic exercise. It's a real-world skill. A good summary has several important elements. First, it should be brief, capturing the essence of the text in as few words as possible. Second, it should be accurate, meaning it should truly reflect the main points of the original text. Finally, it should be comprehensive, which means it should cover all the important parts of the text you're summarizing. Step 1. Read the text. The first step in writing a summary is, of course, to read the text you'll be summarizing. Make sure you understand the main points and themes. Step 2. Identify key points. While reading, highlight or jot down the key points. These will serve as the backbone of your summary. Step 3. Draft a thesis statement. Your summary needs a thesis statement, a sentence that conveys the main idea of the text. Step 4. Write the summary. Now, write your summary, incorporating the thesis statement and the key points you've identified. Keep it brief but comprehensive. Step 5. Review and revise. Last but not least, review and revise your summary to ensure it's accurate and free of unnecessary details. 1. Avoid opinions. Stick to the facts and points presented in the original text. 2. Use simple language. The goal is clarity, so avoid complex sentences and jargon. 3. Compare with the original. Always compare your summary with the original text to ensure you haven't missed or misrepresented anything. And that wraps up our lesson for today on how to write an effective summary. Remember, summarizing is a crucial skill, not just for academic purposes but also for day-to-day communication and information processing. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Happy summarizing!